491, 492, 493, 494.
It's weird. It's almost as if events are conspiring against us.
Okay, where is the beach? The ocean's like the biggest thing in this world. How have we not run into it already? Oh, Super Dude!
Huh?
Can you tell us how we get to the beach?
The beach is a state of mind, man. Just follow your heart.
That's not helpful, just so you know. Ugh.
Hey, it's all right. Maybe we just need to take a break. Get some food in our belly.
No time for food, Marco. I can't afford any distractions. Beach day is going to happen. I can feel it in my bones. You just gotta wait for a sign.
Are we just gonna stand?
The sign! Come on, Marco, follow that seagull. Ah! We made it. Beach day is actually happening. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. The water is perfect. The sand is perfect. Everything is perfect. Now all we gotta do is take that picture. Oh, oh, this is a box of crackers. Where's the real camera? Where is the camera? Oh no, I must have left it in the cab. I left the camera in the cab.
Hey, it's okay.
Oh no, the photo's gone too.
Oh.
I just don't understand. Today was supposed to be beach day. I can't believe I lost the photo and the camera.
Hey, look at it this way. It's a beautiful day. We can still have a fun day at the beach. I'll let you make me into a sand mermaid. I got it. Got it.
You know what you look like? You know, this day actually turned out pretty good after all.
Excuse me. I'm sorry to bother you. It's just that, oh, you two looked so cute earlier, and I just happened to see this adorable young couple.
We're not a couple.
I debated whether or not to even say anything, but when opportunity comes along like this, well, you just have to take the bull by the horns.
Yeah.
Oh.
No way.
It's the beach day photo!
How? How?
It's all part of the paradox. We lost the camera and the photo earlier today because I was supposed to. Because this creepy lady was meant to take our beach day photo.
So that means today is beach day!
It is beach day! It is beach day! Yeah! And I will the happiest day of my life!
This is bananas! The paradox came true! It was real! Everything happened for a reason! Wow! Oh my goodness, this is so exciting! Star?